In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Todoist filters to manage task list. We'll walk through a simple, practical way to start using filters in Todoist, so you can focus on exactly the tasks you need to see, instead of feeling overwhelmed by a long, cluttered list. First, make sure you're logged into your Todoist account and that you're on the main Today view or any task list where you usually manage your work. Take a moment to look at your current list, just so you have a sense of what you're working with. Filters are going to help you slice and rearrange this list so it becomes more manageable. Now, look toward the top right area of the Todoist interface. You should see an option labeled Display, or a small icon that controls how your tasks are shown. This is where you'll start customizing what you see. Go ahead and click on Display. When you open Display, Todoist will show you options for how your tasks appear. Depending on your version, you might see choices like sorting by date, priority, or project, and toggles for things like completed tasks. This menu is the gateway to filters because it lets you decide which tasks are visible and how they're organized on your screen. From here, look for an option called Filter, or a section that refers to filters or filtering. Click on Filter. By doing this, you're telling Todoist that you want to narrow down your task list based on certain criteria, rather than just scrolling through everything. Once you're in the filter options, you can start choosing how to limit what you see. For example, you might filter to show only high priority tasks, only tasks due today or this week, or only tasks from a specific project. While the exact filter options may vary, the idea is the same. You're creating a focused view so you can concentrate on what matters most right now. As you try different filters, pay attention to how your list changes. If the view feels too empty, loosen the filter. If it still feels crowded, make the filter more specific. The goal is to land on a view that feels clear and actionable, not overwhelming. When you're done, you can simply close the filter options or reset them to return to your full list. Over time, getting comfortable clicking Display and then Filter will make Todoist feel much more controlled and tailored to the way you like to work.